Imagine this. You ask your friend for a favor, and you say, "Please, I've helped you so many times before, can't you return the favor?" They hesitate. They feel pressured. And suddenly, things get awkward. Now flip the situation. You say, "Hey, I know you're trying to grow your business. If we work on this together, it'll bring you more clients too." This time their eyes light up. They're excited. They want to help. See the difference? One feels like a debt. The other feels like an opportunity. Here's the truth. People are rarely moved by guilt, gratitude, or mercy. They are moved by one thing above all: self-interest. If you can align what you want with what they want, you'll unlock doors that begging or reminding them of what they owe you never could. Think about it. At work, when employees go to their boss and say, "I've worked here for 3 years, I deserve a raise," most bosses shut down. Why? Because it appeals to fairness, gratitude, or guilt. But if you walk in and say, "I've created systems that save the company thousands. With the right raise and position, I can double that impact for the team." Now you're speaking the boss's language. Results, growth, profit. You've shifted from asking for mercy to aligning with their self-interest. Even in friendships or relationships, this plays out. Have you ever noticed how people are much more willing to help when they see a benefit for themselves? Let's say you want your friend to join you at the gym. Instead of saying, "Come with me, I don't want to go alone," you say, "Bro, this trainer gives a crazy discount if 2 people sign up together. You'll save money and get shredded too." Suddenly, they're not doing you a favor, they're doing themselves a favor. Look at politics, business, even history. The most persuasive leaders rarely said, "Support me because you owe me." Instead, they said, "Support me, and your life will be better. Your future will be safer. Your wallet will be fuller." Every great movement was powered not by guilt, but by appealing to what people stood to gain. So here's the lesson. Stop trying to convince people by reminding them of what you've done for them. Stop expecting gratitude to move the needle. Instead, frame your requests in a way that shows what's in it for them. When your goals align with their self-interest, helping you feels like helping themselves. And that's when doors swing wide open. Power doesn't come from begging or guilt-tripping. It comes from understanding what drives people at their core. If you want to master more of these timeless strategies and truly level up your influence, check out the full Power playlist I've put together. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.